Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany for those of you who are new. We do vlogs here. We talk about books, we talk about skincare, we talk about makeup, just all the girly fun things here. So if you would like to join our family, please subscribe. Well, today is Saturday, August 8th. It's currently about 9:30 in the morning. This morning, I'm actually going to go to breakfast with my friend Gabby. It's her sister's birthday. So we're going to go to a restaurant in Denver called Necio. Google Maps here as always because I just feel like so you guys can be aware of it. I'll put it in the description box below as well. We're gonna get ready. We're gonna do a quick little outfit, just very casual. Kind of gloomy outside, but it's gonna be really hot today. We're gonna go get changed and then we'll be back to do our makeup. We made it. This is Gabby, y'all. We're at 7 Brew. We're gonna grab some coffee real quick before we go have some brunch.
Espresso shot, green espresso shot. I think this would be a regular. Thank you. You as well. Thank you.
They're pretty fast for being a long line.
Oh my gosh, I know. It wasn't very long. It felt like 5 minutes. How is that?
So good.
Good.
That's perfect. We treated. She got a banana blondie.
Only banana.
Only banana, no banana bread. I got the banana bread with an extra shot of espresso. So 3 shots. Yep. Oh, so sweet. Thank you. I'll go to brunch for Zuri's birthday. How old is she turning?
My sister. She's turning 23.
So young. I love it.
I know. She's a baby.
So,
I remember when I was your age.
so we'll see you at Necio. About 3 p.m. right now. We went to her house because I drove to her place and then we drove to the restaurant. Gabby's actually on her way right now. She is coming to do her microneedle on her. We're gonna do that. She was supposed to do my facial, but the steamer that she ordered hasn't gotten here on time, so we're gonna push that to a different day. I'm still gonna be able to do her microneedle. I'll see if I get some clips on that, but brunch was actually so delicious. Our coffee was so good. The restaurant was really good. The staff was nice. There was great parking. The food was 10 out of 10, as you all saw. But everyone really enjoyed their plate, at least for the most part. I didn't ask her if her parents liked the food, but I think they did. All right, for real, let's set up here. Table. Let's sanitize these hands. We're all set for our microneedle. Okay, this is Gabby's before. Look at how I'm holding this thing.
Oh my god.
Nice, nice. He's doing this with no numbing cream.
No numbing. Let's see if I cry.
It's okay.
Not bad.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Gabby's after. She's nice and red, rosy.
It was not bad at all.
She
It
didn't
was
know.
actually really good. Yeah, you have really gentle hands. Which is good. It's a great thing.
Oh yeah, I can see it now.
Mm-hmm.
Right, y'all, I did Gabby's microneedle and I am so proud of myself because her skin reacted so well, as you all saw. It was like red and rosy, which is what you're looking for when you want to do microneedling, because anything more aggressive than that, you're basically damaging your skin. Oh my god, I can't wait to see her results. Just instant gratification like doing that, because like you just know your skin's like, yes, queen. I'm actually heading to the gym. I'm gonna try my best to record my workout today. We'll see if I don't get shy. I just feel like this gym always says something to people, like just people around you, but I don't know, we'll see. So sorry, y'all. I have not vlogged. I literally left the gym. I went to King Soopers. I was on like a tunnel vision getting groceries. Then I needed to head to H Mart, and I was like also tunnel vision, and it was so packed in there. I was like, I am not taking out the camera. I literally called Abuelo on my way home, and we were talking for a good like 45 minutes. Just started cooking. I was like, oh my god, I'm vlogging. I'm so sorry. In the kitchen right now, we're making ground beef with soy sauce, sesame oil, ginger, garlic, and red pepper flakes. We have the rice going in the rice cooker per usual. Right now the broccoli is steaming. I'm a little hesitant to get it because of this whole parasite thing, but we're boiling it, so I feel like we should be good, and I washed it pretty good. He's so real with y'all. Steamed the broccoli, shocked the broccoli. Literally, they were all infested in there, like little bugs, and I freaked out. I was like, there's no way we're gonna eat this. So I'm being so for real with y'all, and I feel really bad throwing it away, but I was like, there's no way we're gonna eat this. Like, literally, like families of those little bugs were in there. All right, this is all done. Smells like yoshinoya, but it's ground beef. We have rice and zucchini. Just gonna end the night here, wash the dishes. Tomorrow I'm actually working, so I'll be checking in here and there to kind of like show you process and all that stuff. So I'll see y'all tomorrow too. Good morning. We are at work. First client we have is a facial. Then after that, I have back-to-back facials this morning. 2, 4, 5. All right, I'll see you all later. Done with the first facial. It is 11:07 now, and I have my next person at 11:30. So I just flipped the bed over real quick, and then I have to like disinfect all my tools now. I gotta put on my gloves because I need to use this cavity wipe on this mat here that's on that we use. We have that just for like so the sheets don't get too oily. I'm gonna see you after I clean up for this one. I'm currently having lunch right now, and like you can hear me if I talk loud, so I'm kind of whispering. This lunch is so good. I'm gonna read. I'm currently reading Rules for the Summer by Megan Quinn, and so far it's actually really cute. We are currently done for the day. We had a really good busy day. It is currently 5:34 p.m. Prepping it for tomorrow because I will be here again tomorrow. 8:04. What did I do? Literally came home, ate some dinner, talked to my mom for like an hour. We're on page, yeah, we made it to 103 on Rules for the Summer. I did annotate it because I was like, these parts are funny, so I'm doing that. I'm gonna like write in it in a little bit. I got some good book recommendations from a couple of my clients today, so I'm so excited for that. Also, I didn't share this with you all, but yesterday I got my package from Olive Collection, and I ended up getting this hypochlorous acid spray, and I got a little sample of this round lab cleanser. Ended up getting the Medicube PDRN Collagen Volume Multi-Balm, which is only supposed to be used for PM because it does have retinol in here. And then I also got this Abib PDRN Collagen Lip Mask Glazed Jelly, and then these Biodance Vitamin C Niacinamide Gel Toner Pads. So these are some exfoliation pads for myself. And then my package from Urban Outfitters, they were having a 30% off. I got this Everyday Cloud bag. This is in like the chocolate brown, and I added my little matcha croissant. It's a little croissant. She's a little cutesy croissant. I know it's giving very fall vibes, but like I am so excited for it. I love it so much. It's so stinking cute, and then my book will fit perfectly in here. So cute. Look at this, so cute little croissant. We're gonna do our skincare right now. Since we did exfoliate last night, today's gonna be a very simple skincare routine. The Anua PDRN Hyaluron Spritz. I'm gonna take a break from the Haro Wonder. This one for now. We're gonna use this Lacuna Milky Peptide Milky Toner. I'm not gonna say it's like life-changing because it's just alright. Always bring your skincare down to your décolleté. For serum today, we're using this serum. This is a 2% NMN plus PDRN. Pumps of this one. I feel like it's almost done, but thankfully we already have a backup. For PM moisturizer, I'm also taking a break from Haro Wonder one. I'm saving that for the wintertime because I just know that's like a wintertime exclusive for my skin at least. And then same moisturizer from that serum, but this is a moisturizer version. Also got this at TJ Maxx, and I have the spatula. It's literally so moisturizing right down to your neck. I did use this yesterday, so I'm gonna use it again tonight. This is the Medicube 5% Volufina PDRN Pink Collagen Volume Multi-Balm. So you use this for like crow's feet, fine lines. I did use it on my under eyes yesterday, so we're gonna do that again. It's pretty thick, but it doesn't feel thick on. And then I'll put some on the smile lines right here. Obviously on between the eyebrows for the 11s. A little Vaseline for these crusty dusty lips. I'm gonna read for the rest of the night, and I will see you all tomorrow. Toodles. Good morning, YouTube. It is Monday, August 10th. Yesterday I was supposed to wash my brushes, but I did not do that. So we're gonna do that this morning. Yo, I lost track of time. 30. I only have like literally these 30 minutes to get ready for work. About to get a massage, and I am so excited. The last time I checked in was when I got my massage at work. Oh my god, that was so freaking delightful. I literally didn't pick up the camera after that. I think I just was like in the zone. I started reading at work and I was just like, oh, whatever. I came home and I did do some meal prep, ended up cleaning the kitchen and like washing dishes and stuff. And then I'm like, I need to do an everything shower because I had all the oil all over me. So I really wanted to get that off. It's already like 10 p.m. I'm basically gonna go to sleep at this point. A coworker actually gifted me these tarot cards. I'm so grateful for her because I thought that you have to buy your own tarot cards, and this is like my first actual deck. That she gifted me, iridescent on the side, and they have the moons on here, and they have the like different types of like explanations on here. She said she got it on Etsy, and they're so cute. They're so cute, and like I love it. I cannot wait to like do a little like reading for myself. But here's a little booklet that kind of like explains everything. I'm not gonna do it on people, obviously. I'm just doing it for myself. Like, I want to learn this. But that is it for this week's vlog. I will see you all next week. We're gonna have a very exciting next couple of days, so we'll see you in the next one. Toodles.